What's up, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color. On today's episode, we are taking a deep dive into Creality's CR-PLA in wood. So this is a wood-filled filament. One of the things I'm not a huge fan of with Creality is they put the sticker on the seal. This is a relatively common occurrence. Manufacturers, please stop doing this. It is very annoying. Uh, y'all have boxes, or you can do an easy to open tab or something. Speaking of easy to open tabs, this one comes with one in the actual sealed filament. So as you can see, this is their wood filament. It's obviously filled with wood pulp or something, basically, but absolutely beautiful color, wood. So we're going to go ahead and get this into the filament dryer for at least 6 hours, and I will see you back here shortly. All right, if you're new here, we always start out by printing a benchy in generic settings in Bamboo Studio, in this case, generic PLA. So we're going to go ahead and get that sliced up. It should take a little over an hour just to get everything done, and then get that sent off to the printer along with all the other test prints. And here they are. So here's the generic benchy. Again, relatively standard. No real major issues, looks pretty good, details fine, no stringing, nothing like that. So that's always good to see. Next up, we have the dimensional cube. This is printed 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters cubed in spiral Voss mode. Overall, I'd say pretty good. Nice, strong thing. Temp tower. This one is probably the best one, would be 210 degrees Celsius. This one had the least amount of stringing and no real globbing on the spike there. Retraction tests also came out very well. A little bit of stringing, but nothing super major. Max volumetric speed test performed well at 20 millimeters per second cubed. Overall, I'd say pretty good. Next up, we had the overhang test. The overhang test did fail right at about 55, 60. But overall, I'd say it went okay. So, I mean, again, just enable supports a little bit earlier for that. But we got those things dialed in, and we reprinted Benchy. Again, everything I changed is down in the description below. Overall, I'd say pretty good. With this one, again, no string or glomming. At time of filming, you can pick this up for less than $24 over at Amazon. Link is in the description down below. But my overall thoughts for this one, it's a little pricey for wood grain filament. Also, this one has an easy to snap and come off kind of thing. I found this out when I was putting this into the AMS for my printer, so where it snapped off. So it was a bit of a hassle getting it. So can't really recommend this for a beginner. Just something to be on the lookout for if you're looking at working with this filament. So that's been Creality CR-PLA in wood. If you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I've been Higgins with Legal Automations. Hope to see you back here next time.